Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Wednesday, November 10th. Let's check our number corner. We've been seeing a lot of activity with fractions on our calendar this month. Yesterday we had one whole sandwich that was cut into two halves. What do you think will be on today's card? Can you make a prediction? Here we go. Whoa! The two dogs are back again and they ate the sandwich. Each one of them had one half of the sandwich. Let's add that to our observation grid. Here we go. So we had halves again, but this time two dogs ate one half of the sandwich. So there we have, we wrote down what we saw. Two dogs ate one half of the sandwich. As we continue with our information, we will see that we have to add our days in school. If we add another day to our chart, wow, we're almost at the number 50. Tomorrow's going to be very special. So what is that number that comes before the number 50, class? That's how many days we're in school. Did you say 49? Yes. 49 days in school. 49 days in school, which means we are changing our information to show 49 is our big number. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 8 is no more, because we're adding 9 to it this time. Then we have 20 plus 20 plus 9. We're changing our information to the number word 49. And we're changing our number tree to represent the number 49. 49. Very, very cool. We've been together for a while, friends. All of these different ways to make the number 49. Can you think of a way to make the number 49? I have a challenge for you right now. I want you to try to count from the number 49 to the number 60. Are you ready? Let's go. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Yes! Great job, All-Stars. As we continue on, we're going to add another hour to our calendar collector. When we were on it yesterday, we had the 7 o'clock is the analog clock, and we even had the 7 o'clock as the digital clock. What we are going to do now, friends, is add another hour and make it 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock on our analog clock. Do you see that little hand pointing towards the 8? And the 8 o'clock on our digital clock, where the 8 is the number in the front. We're going to change our clock here to show the number 8 o'clock. So we're going to take our little hand and draw it towards the 8. There it is. Now the little hand is facing the 8. And we're going to put the number 8 here. Very, very good. I want to try something today with you a little bit different, dears. I want to have you practice this with me, and then we're going to have a day where you write this in your own booklets. I want you to show me how we would make 3 o'clock. And I'm going to show you to guide you this time, and then we'll do some together in class. Your big hand would be on the 12. Your big hand would be on the 12. And then your little hand would be facing the 3. That would be 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. We're going to practice these throughout this month to get you comfortable with you practicing these as well. I'm very proud of all you do each day, All-Stars. I want to close out our number corner activity now with you counting from the number 60 to the number 70. Can you do that? 60. What comes next? Keep going until you get to the number 70. Have a great day, All-Stars.